Hi friends, it's Marion here, and I've been testing the Panasonic 32-litre microwave, and honestly it's just one of those appliances that makes everything simpler in the kitchen. There are 3 finishes to choose from: white glass, black glass and stainless steel. But what I love most is what's happening inside. It's got a big 32-litre capacity and this extra large 340mm turntable, so you can fit a full dinner plate, a big serving bowl, no more juggling small containers just to make something fit. And because it uses Panasonic's inverter technology, it doesn't just blast food on and off like old school microwaves. It actually delivers graduated, consistent power, which means your meals cook evenly with better texture and flavor. No burnt edges, no cold centers, just perfect results every time. Now there's also the Genius Sensor Cooking. This is clever. The built-in sensor actually detects steam and humidity from your food, then automatically adjusts the time and power for you. So whether it's reheating last night's noodles or cooking vegetables from scratch, you don't have to guess. It just does it for you. Now, one of the fun things I've even made is 3-ingredient ice cream mochi right here in this 32-litre microwave. The sticky rice dough turned out beautifully soft and smooth, but it's just as good for the everyday stuff. So melting chocolate, reheating leftovers, or a quick mug cake when you need dessert in a hurry. There are also some clever little touches that make it feel premium. A bright, easy to read LCD display, silent mode when you don't want all the beeps, and 20 auto menus that make cooking truly effortless. So whether you're cooking, reheating, or experimenting with something fun, the Panasonic 32-litre microwave makes it all faster, easier, and just a little bit smarter. Bigger on the inside, sleek on the outside, it's a real everyday hero in the kitchen. I hope you love it just as much as I do.